We've got the ultimate guide here to help you with your holiday budget. And trust me, it's gonna be way more fun and entertaining than Uncle Cry's questionable Glühwein. So let's dive right in. Number 1. It's time to make a list. Not the naughty or nice one list, but a list that will help you keep your spendings on track. So grab a pen and a paper or your favorite note-taking app and start writing down all the names of the people that are gonna get a gift from you. Then, along with a name, write down a maximum number of money you're willing to spend on that person. So right now, you have a single budget for each and every one of them. Now that your list is ready, it's time to jingle all the way to setting up a budget. And guess what? I've got a secret weapon just for you to help you on your merry mission. It's called the Money Coach app. And with Money Coach, it's like having a digital financial elf in your pocket at all times or even on your wrist through the Apple Watch app. So this elf is going to help you navigate tough financial decisions and help you through this holiday season. So this is how it goes. Open up the app on your iPhone and start by creating special Christmas budgets. I would create 3 Christmas budgets, one for decorations, one for gifts, and one for travel expenses in case you have to go and visit your loved ones. Then, the most important one, have a limit. Have a limit for each and every single budget, otherwise those budgets will be open-ended and it's going to be a bloodbath of money going out, because if you don't have a limit, you don't know how much you're going to spend and you don't know where to stop. So knowing your limit, it's extremely important from stopping you going bankrupt during this holiday season. Deck the halls, but blah blah blah. Deck the halls, but don't deck out your spendings. We're revealing the truth about those holiday extras and how cutting back can help you save big bucks. Let's talk about those little indulgences that seem harmless but can really add up. Whether it's those fancy holiday drinks or treating yourself to some retail therapy, it's time to put a stopper in the spending jug. Your money could go towards gifts, travel, or even a charitable donation. So, before you splurge on extras, ask yourself, is it really worth the price? Your list is ready, the budgets are set up, and the extras are completely trimmed off. It's time to stick to the game plan. One of the most important tips to avoid a budget meltdown is to know when you're finished shopping. Don't fall into the trap of just browsing or seeing what they have at the mall. Stay disciplined and remember, the key to a budget-friendly Christmas is having a plan and sticking to it. Money, money, body, boo bee bee. With lists in your hand, Money Coach in your pocket, and the willpower to cut back on extras, you're well on your way to a wallet-friendly holiday season. Make the most of your celebrations without the looming financial hangover. Did you like the tips and tricks that I gave you in this video? Please leave a comment down below and share with me what works for you, what doesn't work for you, what you tried up until now. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on a budget-friendly Christmas. Until next time, ciao!